Another tool is the activities that Desmos offers. So if you go down here to Classroom Activities, I'm already logged in. I can search for an activity that I'd like to do in my class. Let's say I want to do an activity on trig graphing or graphing trig. So a couple different results pop up here. I wanted to do just basic amplitude and vertical shift. I can click on this and it gives me all the different screens that it'll run through. If I decide that I want to do this, I can go to create class code, and then from there it will generate a live classroom for my students to go ahead and go into. Oh, there it is right there. So go to view dashboard, and it'll say, hey students, go to here and join this. And then once they're done with that, I'm in here. All of my students would pop up. There's a way to anonymize your students so that it doesn't show who they technically are. They'll have little fake names there, which are honestly quite enjoyable and usually provide some humor to what we're doing. But you can see every single student's response. You can pick on one, throw it up there, have some great discourse and dialogue with your students. You can really talk about why something is or is not right. And a lot of times you'll have situations that arise that you did not anticipate, which can provide great learning experiences. The two ISTE standards that this covers would be E5C. It definitely provides an engaging lesson for the students. They have to be involved. I'm able to see their progress, and it's very easy to hold them accountable and make sure that they're following along. And then finally, E4A. Typically, most of the Desmos activities that I've done were referred to me via one of my colleagues. So I'm definitely working together with them in a collaborative nature in order to provide engaging activities for my students.